420 Things Grow in Ontario. Well, ladies and gentlemen, back with another unboxing, and always a shout out to indoorgrowingcanada.com. That's indoorgrowingcanada.com. They're the official sponsor of the channel by far. They're always helping the channel out, so that's great. If you could help them out, that'd be great too. Use a coupon code 420things, 420 things, all one word at checkout to get yourself a bit of a discount. Also, if you take a peek, if you have first time purchaser there, they have some sort of like sign up for an email and get $10 off your first purchase. So as always, everything comes discreetly packaged. You wouldn't know what's in here. A lot of times it comes in this like garbage bag material. So let's get into this, okay? Dun, dun, dun. Sweet Stealth RO. This one. So I don't know if you guys use our Reverse Osmosis water. That's what the RO is. This one right here is a Stealth RO 150, so it's 150 gallons a day. That's more than enough for me. Okay. This one is a newer version, and it has an upgraded KDF filter. This KDF is supposed to be all around better. Okay. So let's pull this out and see what it comes with. In the box, you got some books, product guide, user manual, and please do not contact your dealer for a return. Please contact us. There's the information for them, okay? But let's get this out. Oh, let's maybe not do that. I just got this. Oh yeah. Some hosing. Ah, my other one never came with that. Filter wrench. That's handy. Sometimes they get on there tight, it's a bit of a pain. And I think it's called the blow-up valve or whatever. So that's in there. So you've got your water that's going to go into your unit. Okay, through the white hose, and the RO water coming out to your good RO water is blue, black is your wastewater. So, and this is the feed. You're going to go into the water from like your tap, right, or your hose, or whatever you're going to do. So there's that hose. There's that hose. There is a. Okay, so I've got this in here. Good bubble wrap. There's a little card here and it shows you how to flush it, right? So this is the flow restrictor and flush kit. So depending on which way you turn it, you're going to see blue valve, flow restrictor 2-to-1, flow restrictor purple tubing, or flow restrictor red tubing, right? 1-to-1. So what is that? White tubing? Oh, that's the 300 on the back. Okay, so this is the 150. This is the one I got. So here we go. Let's get this out and see what we have in here. Get rid of that cardboard. Get rid of that cardboard and get rid of that cardboard. So you've got some spots on the back. I hang this on my wall. You can see this? Little hooks. Gives you the product codes for the stuff you need to do. And that's about it for an unboxing, guys. That's the two filters. I clean these out about once a year. For me, I put new ones in. This carbon one's a new one for me because it's that upgraded KDF one. I'm going to see, I don't know how long they turn around and last, but I know the normal low-end version comes with the filters, and it lasts about a year. Depending on how much water you're going through, obviously. If you're going through water all the time, it's not going to last a year. But these are the two filters you change on a yearly basis. $15, $20 or 20 or 30 bucks, I can't remember exactly. And then this is the RO membrane here. This is the expensive piece to replace. This is where the magic happens. So, whoa, got this a little bit going crazy. So I've got the RO machine hooked up. But the thing's getting me soaked. All right, let's try this again here. All right, got the RO machine running, but it's on its flush cycle, right? So when you first use it, still throw 150. Okay, so choose your flow restrictor, right? I picked 2 to 1. What you're going to want to do is you put the black tubing into the flow restrictor, which we've done here. So there's product, there's the blue, it's good RO water. Here's the valve, and I've got it on the flush. On the flush, right? When starting up the system, make sure the blue valve is in the open position for 2 to 3 minutes to flush the carbon. So the water comes in first, comes through the sediment, fills up, and then it fills up. So right now it's just like that sound effect. But anyways, it's about what it sounds like. But this is the KDF filter, and you gotta let it run. It's way different than the carbon filter. But anyways, you gotta let it run for 2 to 3 minutes to flush it out. So that's what I'm doing. It usually doesn't come out that intense of water, but it definitely comes out. That's the wastewater, so that's going to come out 2 times the one to this. So I'm going to put this on pause, and I'm going to get some water that has been RO'd, get some water that comes out of my softener, and I'm going to get some that comes out without the softener, and we'll talk about what to run when you have it. Ooh, the pressure is just. Oh, that's probably because it's on flush, but you got to be in that green zone. Be back. As you can see, the water that's coming out of this blue hose, and then the rate that's coming out of the black hose on the ground, that's the wastewater. 2 for every 1 gallon that's going to come out of here is going to be 2 down there. So nothing crazy like that was happening before. That was the flush. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you've seen the RO machine in action. You've seen the flush. You've seen what it does. Now let's look at some of the water, okay? So what we have here is I have 4 different types of water. I have well water, right? So it's hard water. I have a softener, which this is the hard water, okay? This comes in, nothing done it. This is my hose outside. No treatment, no filters, no anything on this, okay? This water is going to be sitting at, let's see what the ppm is. What do you guys think here? 372. Okay, so that's untreated anything. Okay, now we're going to move on to my soft water. Okay, so my soft water has a water softener that uses salt. It has a UV light, and it also has a sediment filter. Okay, so that goes through all of those, and an iron filter too. Yeah, I think it's an iron filter. Maybe, yeah, iron filter. To get rid of some of the smell. I'm going to have to look into that and see, but I'm almost positive it's an iron filter, okay? So it removes the iron. What you're going to have here is the soft water. So let's see what it's treated at. Or let's see after it's treated, right? So it's 360. Is that what it is? 360? What was outside? Nothing? Exactly the same. Exactly the same. I thought this would have been less. Oh, it is less by 1. 359. Alright, so here I've got my RO water that goes into here, and I've got a little bit of a float here so it never overflows. So here we go. It's right, 0. Let's see what it's at after the RO. Oops, I guess I got to get it in the water for it to read. 8. RO at its finest. So reverse osmosis, guys. That's what it's going to do for you. Okay. You can maybe even get it lower than that, depending on how heavy or thick and ppm rich your water is to begin with. So, yeah, 7. It's a good starting point. Now, that being said, definitely got to use some calcium, magnesium, CalMag or ProCal or Cali Magic or whatever kind of, brand you're using. I use the ProCal, right? Green Planet. That's calcium, magnesium. And yeah, I put it in there, and that's the first thing I put in right after I RO the water and before I put the nutrients and the grow and stuff in, right? So that's it for now, guys. So shout out to indoorgrowingcanada.com. If you need a reverse osmosis machine, go check them out. Use the coupon code 420things, all one word, and you'll get yourself a bit of a discount. It's at indoorgrowingcanada.com. So hope you like it. Hope you do it. Hope you can get your nice water nice and cleared up, and your nutrients be good to go. Like, subscribe, do all that jazz, and check out all the other unboxing videos we got at the channel. We got quite a bit. Oh, my phone is vibrating the camera. That's crazy. Bye for now, guys.